Welcome back to the channel where we showcase some of the most iconic and stunning cars in history. Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of the 1965 Lincoln Continental Black Label. This car isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of elegance, power, and timeless design. The Lincoln Continental of the 1960s, especially the 1965 model, is often hailed as one of the most beautiful and sophisticated cars ever made. Its bold, slab-sided design, clean lines, and suicide doors make it instantly recognizable. The Black Label edition elevates this classic to a new level, blending luxury and exclusivity in a way that defines the Lincoln brand. Under the hood, the 1965 Continental was equipped with a powerful 430 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering 320 horsepower. It provided effortless cruising and a smooth driving experience, perfect for long highways or city streets. Paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, the Continental balanced power and refinement beautifully. The interior is where the Black Label shines. Plush leather seats, impeccable craftsmanship, and attention to detail define the cabin. Every element, from the elegant dashboard to the spacious rear seating, was designed to provide ultimate comfort and sophistication. With features like power windows, air conditioning, and even an optional AM/FM radio, it was a car ahead of its time. The 1965 Lincoln Continental isn't just a car, it's a piece of art and a symbol of status. Whether you're a collector or an enthusiast, it's impossible not to admire this classic masterpiece. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iconic car content. See you next time.